Never mix vinegar-based cleaners with bleach or ammonia in the bathroom because doing so can produce toxic fumes that harm you and anyone nearby. Vinegar is an acidic cleaner that works well on soap scum, mineral deposits, and mild mildew by dissolving grime and loosening residue. Use 1 part white distilled vinegar to 1 part water in a spray bottle. Apply, let sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then scrub with a non-abrasive brush and rinse thoroughly. For stronger scale remove, heat the vinegar slightly but never boil it, and always ventilate the room by opening a window or running an exhaust fan for at least 10 minutes after use. Avoid applying vinegar to natural stone like marble, travertine, or limestone because the acid etches the surface. Use a pH-neutral cleaner on those materials and test any cleaner on an inconspicuous spot first. When cleaning drains, do not pour vinegar into a drain that contains baking soda, expecting a reaction unless you are prepared to flush with plenty of water and ventilate because the fizz can splash and cause irritation. Instead, mechanically clear debris first with a plunger or drain snake. For toilets and tubs with stubborn stains, let a cloth soaked in straight vinegar sit over the stain for 30 minutes under a ventilated hood and then agitate gently with a sponge. Follow with a rinse and dry to prevent water spots. Store vinegar and other cleaners in clearly labeled, separate containers out of reach of children and pets, and never transfer cleaners into food or beverage bottles. The 3 most common mistakes are combining vinegar with bleach, which creates chlorine gas, mixing vinegar with ammonia, which forms irritating chloramine vapors, and using vinegar on acid-sensitive surfaces, which causes permanent etching. If someone accidentally mixes with bleach, get everyone out of the area, ventilate immediately, and seek medical help if breathing is difficult. If vinegar was mixed with ammonia, exit the space, flush eyes and skin with water if exposed, and call a poison control center or medical professional. If vinegar has damaged stone or other surfaces, stop using acidic products, consult a stone care specialist, and use a poultice or professional restoration service as needed. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work, and our listings let users connect directly with professionals in their area. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors can ask questions, share experiences, and get practical advice about projects and product safety.